I'm sorry, sketchy.
I honestly think these guys make like.
Okay, sketch. Do you see who they follow? Sketch. That's a fake account. Fake. Hello.
Hello, it's us, and we're going to Malibu. What else is new?
It really sounds like that rhymed. We're going to Malibu.
What else is new? Oh, I should probably turn down. Driving lessons with Meredith. Tila.
Driving with Mary and
Just
Tila.
like the 80s.
That song is so freaking. Go to SoundCloud and listen to Run Wild. It will change your life.
Wait, I've never heard of that one.
I want to play it.
I didn't even
Or you
know.
can pull it up on your phone.
Yeah, here. I do.
You do?
Please.
Because it's on his SoundCloud.
Wait, that's SoundHound.
Oh no. Oh, there's SoundCloud. We found it.
This lighting's pretty good.
It's deep. Get ready to feel like in your feels. Wow, my eye is like bleeding out. Not bleeding out, like
Your eyes.
my eye. These lashes.
Gotta get that checked out soon.
We don't want to. So we're going to Sunlight first, right?
If you see him in the streets, give him Kanye's best.
I almost just got run over by this car.
So this car almost ran us over.
Oh my god, your shoes are so cute.
You're so cute.
Say hi to our vlog. Hi. Where are you guys from?
Turkey.
So you're from Turkey, are you? Yeah.
Can I take your photo?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, come on.
What's your name?
Come on down.
Yes, let's do it.
Wait.
Oh, you got your portable charger?
Yeah.
Love that. We got to meet them. They
were so
I
nice.
know. So we're just loving this day so far.
It's a good day. It is a good time.
I saw a really hot guy and he walked by while I was vlogging and he goes, do I go back?
Yeah, what the heck?
But he was like, what is she doing? But I mean, you know. It's called Malibu Mutt's Grill. So my glasses are stuck in my hair. I ordered a chicken salad. It's really good. Chicken tastes nice and grilled. Tila got tuna melt, french fries. Yum. It's good. We just got to the beach. We have our towels down and this is what it looks like. It's so nice out today. It's just gorgeous. Last time I was at this beach, I got tar in my hair, so I don't really want that to happen again. My bathing suit is from Forever 21. It
so
says
cute.
hello, and then on the back it says goodbye.
I just wanted you to
Uses Tila's bag as a tripod. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. Hold on. It is Saturday the 16th. And I am shooting a video today for back to school. I got up at 8:30 and I did my makeup, showered. Well, I showered first, then I did my makeup. And I had an apple with peanut butter for breakfast. Oh my god, it is the middle of July. What? That's scary. And later tonight I'm hanging out with Tila, so it's gonna be a good day. Last night Tila and I hung out with Alex. There are so many Alexes that you guys probably hear about. This is Alex Lang. You can look him up online, you'll find him, he has blonde hair. And we played Pokemon Go. I didn't know how to play and I didn't even have the app. And he showed us how to play and catch Pokemon. I caught 3 last night. So I'm very proud of myself, but it was a good time, it was a good time. Well, I'm gonna start filming soon, but I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon, bye.
That's true.
I just wanted you to know that being Marina Del Rey, put one up in the sky.
Oh my gosh, wait, am I disturbing your filming?
I can come in like this. You guys can kind of like.
So what did you do? Good morning, morning, guys. It is currently, I think, like 12:30, and I'm off to Glendale to do a voiceover for a Disney shoot I did in New York City. If you guys remember those Snapchats, I'm now going and doing voiceovers for that. Not sure what I'm doing the rest of the day, but I wanted to bring you guys with me, so let's go. That's my Uber. Just got to my manager's office, and then we are going to drive to Disney, and I have the worst headache right now. Past the Yoda statue. Only Disney. So we made it to Disney, and I'm about to do the voiceovers, but guys, look at what they have. Okay, so look at this, guys. There's a Yoda statue on the Disney, I don't know what you call this, like common area. So I'm now in the studio. I got my iced latte and we are doing voiceovers. You guys, I feel like I'm recording my first single, so you know, just stay woke for that. But yeah, that's what we're doing. And I need to take the paper off. The fact. And I said, what? Walking, living legend, man, I feel like Kobe. Okay. So take out, okay. Yeah, that was like, yay. Of course, woohoo. And that's a wrap.